Elon Musk's artificial intelligence bot, Grok, on the social media platform X, provided a summary of a post from the White House press secretary regarding the devastating floods in Texas. The summary included information on how global warming increases the likelihood of extreme weather events. On Saturday, Caroline Leavitt shared a message from former President Donald Trump on Truth Social. The message acknowledged the severe flooding in Texas, which has resulted in at least 32 fatalities, and informed the public that the administration is collaborating with local Texas officials to provide assistance. When asked to summarize the post, Grok mentioned that Trump was referring to the tragic flooding event that occurred on July 4 in Texas. Additionally, Grok provided background information on how climate change is worsening flooding. According to Grok, climate models from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration suggest that ignoring climate change could intensify such flooding events in Texas. This is because warmer air holds more moisture, and peer-reviewed studies, such as those by Kevin Trenberth and colleagues in 2018, indicate a 7% increase in atmospheric water vapor for 1 degree C warming, potentially exacerbating future disasters. Since January, the Trump administration has significantly rolled back climate regulations, cut research funding, and essentially dismantled climate programs. Trump has called climate change a hoax and downplayed concerns about severe weather becoming more frequent and deadly, despite scientific evidence to the contrary. The administration has made cuts to the National Weather Service, the government agency responsible for monitoring weather events, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency, which coordinates disaster response and administers recovery efforts. Both agencies play major roles in warning people of inclement weather, coordinating responses, and delivering relief to those in need. However, Trump has characterized FEMA as an unnecessary federal resource intervening in state-level issues. A governor should be able to handle it, and frankly, if they can't handle it, the aftermath, then maybe they shouldn't be governor, Trump stated last month. The administration also made cuts to the National Weather Service, leading to the departure of nearly 600 employees. Many of these employees are critical in monitoring weather and issuing warnings to residents. While the agency is hiring new staff to stabilize itself, former directors of the National Weather Service have warned that cutting staff could understaff offices to such an extent that there will be a needless loss of life. Further cuts to programs that monitor climate and weather patterns, such as the U.S. Global Change Research Program, which produces congressionally mandated reports on how climate change is affecting life, could hinder preparations for extreme weather. Over the weekend, Texas officials stated they were unprepared for the amount of rain that flooded nearby rivers and created lethal flash flooding overnight.